Synthesia promises professional AI videos without a camera, but is it a game changer or just another overhyped tool? Welcome to VidAI Lab. Today we're breaking down Synthesia to see if it belongs in your serious content workflow. Synthesia is an AI platform that turns text into video using digital avatars, perfect for business presentations and training. You type your script, choose an avatar, and the AI handles the lip syncing and gestures automatically. It's built for creators and teams who need high-quality informational content at scale without a massive budget. Let's look at the core features that make this platform stand out in the current market. Their expressive technology means avatars now interpret sentiment, adding subtle nods and eyebrow raises for realism. Beyond stock avatars, you can create a digital twin. It allows you to maintain your personal brand without ever needing to step in front of a lens again. With over 140 languages and accents, you can localize your content globally with a single click. The AI assistant is a massive time saver, automatically drafting scripts and suggesting layouts from your existing documents. For large teams, the platform offers robust collaboration tools, allowing multiple users to review, edit, and manage video projects in a shared workspace. The interface is intuitive. If you can use PowerPoint, you can use Synthesia. It's a clean drag-and-drop experience. You can also include screen recordings and product interface shots directly, perfect for tutorials and explainers. The pros are significant if you're looking for efficiency and scalability in your production. The biggest win is time. You're saving days of filming and reshoots. What took a week now takes minutes. It levels the playing field for small businesses, delivering professional training and marketing videos that rival big corporations. Synthesia also leads in ethical AI. Every video is moderated, and their SOC 2 compliance makes them a safe choice for enterprise-level data security. Global teams can scale messages instantly, and updates are easy. Just edit the script and regenerate without reshooting. But it's not perfect. We need to talk about where Synthesia might fall short for your needs. This isn't for cinematic storytelling. AI avatars still can't replace a real actor's artistic nuance and high emotion. You can still tell it's AI, and the professional pricing might not be worth it for very casual users. The verdict? Synthesia is a powerhouse for business and training. It's worth it for efficiency and professional delivery. Read our full breakdown in the description for more details. I'll see you in the next one.